Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm a senior CX associate at Terra Cafe, and today we're going to be making a Philz-Inspired iced mint mojito. First, we're going to brew 2 shots of espresso. So once the espresso is finished brewing, we're gonna add it to some cold water just to cool it off. We're gonna do this to dilute it a little bit and make sure it's chilled so it doesn't melt too much of our ice. This will bring it closer to a cup of iced coffee. Once your coffee is in with the cold water and it's chilling, next we are going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar and roughly 11 or 12 large mint leaves to our shaker. And then from here, we're gonna add just a splash of hot water to the cup just to make it a little bit easier to muddle and dissolve the brown sugar. And from there, you're just going to give it a good muddle to press out all of the oils from the mint leaves and really just get that brown sugar nice and dissolved to incorporate with your coffee. Now we're gonna add our coffee to the mint leaves and the brown sugar. Once you have added your coffee to the mint leaves and the brown sugar, add about 1 ounce of heavy whipping cream. Then you can add all of your ice to the shaker. It's gonna be about a cup or so. Give it a really good shake to get it nice and frothy. Once you have given it a good shake and it's nice and frothy, we can just pour it right into our glass and keep the mint leaves in there for getting all that flavor. And there you have it, a Philz-Inspired iced mint mojito latte. Hunter, do you want to come try this?
I would love to. I'm so excited because this is going to remind me of home because we had Philz back there.
It's honestly one of my favorite spring drinks. It's like so refreshing.
Oh, it's so good. You know when you hit a table, that's how you know it's really good.
I know, I love the like floral mint with the frothy coffee.
So springtime. Like now that the sun is out, I want this every single day.
Same, honestly.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You did amazing.